Hello friends, today we will discuss current affairs with answers for BPSC examination. So first question is, when is the 71st Combined Competitive Examination Prelims 2025 by BPSC is scheduled? A. September 10, B. September 12, C. September 13, D. September 15. Answer is BPSC has confirmed the exam will be held on September 13, 2025, denying any postponement rumors. The Times of India has mentioned it. Second question, what did Bihar cabinet decide regarding women's reservation in government jobs? A. Reserved for all women nationally. B. Excluded women engineers. C. Restricted 35% quota only to permanent residents of Bihar. D. Abolished women's reservation. C. Now it is all restricted 35% quota only to permanent residents of Bihar. Now only Bihari women can benefit from 35% reservation. Next question, which law structures the governance framework for national sports bodies and athlete welfare in India? A. Sports Code 2011. B. National Sports Authority Act. C. National Sports Governance Act 2025. D. Sports Ethics Act. Answer is C. National Sports Governance Act 2025. This new act passed by Lok Sabha on August 11, 2025 introduces transparency and governance reforms in sports administration. Next question, what is the objective of India's Operation Abhyas conducted on May 7, 2025? A. Evaluating pandemic response. B. Naval disaster exercise. C. Nationwide civil defense mock drill for emergency preparedness. D. Earthquake safety drill. Answer is C. Simulated nationwide civil defense mock drill for emergency preparedness. Simulated air raid sirens, evacuations, and blackout drills across 244 districts was done. Next question, what constitutional change does the 130th Amendment Bill 2025 propose? A. Single term for PM. B. Lowering voting age. C. Removing ministers and CMs held in jail for 30 days. D. Reducing Lok Sabha sessions. Answer is C. That is removing ministers and CMs held in jail for 30 days. It seeks removal of ministers, including PM, detained for 30 plus consecutive days on serious charges. Next question, which country restored diplomatic ties with India after naming new high commissioners recently? A. UK. B. Canada. C. France. D. Australia. Answer is B. That's Canada. After a 10-month rift, Canada and India restored relations with mutual envoy appointments. Next question, which leader was invited in 2026 BRICS summit in India? A. Putin. B. Jinping. C. Lula. D. Cyril Ramaphosa. B. Answer is B. Xi Jinping. PM Modi invited Chinese President Xi Jinping on August 31st, 2025. Next question, which awardees were recognized by India's president for the year 2025? A. Padma Vibhushan. B. Bharat Ratna. C. Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. D. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Answer is C. That is Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. 17 children were awarded recently. Target Defense Academy. Next, what is the Mahakumbh recognized under by UNESCO? A. World Heritage. B. Biosphere Reserve. C. Intangible Cultural Heritage. D. Sacred Rivers. Answer is C. That is intangible cultural heritage, included in the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Next question, in which global council was India elected for the 26-28 term. A. UNICEF. B. UN Economic and Social Council SOC. C. UN Security Council. D. WHO Executive Board. World Health Organization Executive Board. Answer is B. That is UN Economic and Social Council. India secured election in ECOSOC SOC. India Times News has confirmed it. Next question. What environmental initiative was launched under Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam? A. River cleaning. B. Wildlife conservation. C. Planting 10 crore trees by September. D. Coastal cleanup. Answer is C. Planting 10 crore trees by September, a massive tree plantation drive across India. Next question. Which defense segment will Tata Advanced Systems manufacture for aircraft in India? A. Wings. B. Engines. C. Fuselages for Rafale jets. D. Radar system. Answer is C. Fuselages for Rafale jets. An important boost to India's aerospace manufacturing capabilities. Next, who introduced the Prime Minister Internship Scheme? PM Rajnath Singh. B. Amitabh Kant. C. Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. D. Smriti Irani. Answer is C. Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, launched in 2024 under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Next question. Which amendment sparked protests in Murshidabad and Tripura? A. Land Acquisition Amendment. B. GST Amendment. C. Waqf Amendment Act 2025. D. Labor Law Amendment. Answer is A. That is Land Acquisition Amendment. Next question. Which amendment sparked protest in Murshidabad and Tripura? Next question. When was India's Union Budget for 2025-26 presented? A. April 2025. B. December 2024. C. February 1, 2025. D. March 2025. Answer is C. February 1, 2025, presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Next question. Which headline reflects India-US relations as of August 2025? A. Trade pact signed. B. Military ties renewed. C. Relations are due to new tariffs. D. NASA collaboration initiated. Answer is C. Tariffs. Relations soured due to new tariffs. Tariffs raised to 50%, straining the relationship. Next, which scheme offers financial help to BPSC and UPSC aspirants with disabilities? A. Bihar Scholarship. B. Bihar Yuva Abhiyan. C. Bihar CSR Policy. D. Expanded Sambal Scheme. Answer is D. Expanded Sambal Scheme offers rupees 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh for UPSC and BPSC preparation respectively. Next, why did BPSC teacher aspirants protest in Patna in early 2025? A. Fee hike. B. Lack of transparency. C. Pending TRE3 results and unfilled posts. D. Online test errors. Answer is C. Demand release. C. That is pending TRE3 results and unfilled posts. Demand release of supplementary results and discount over 21,000 unfilled vacancies. Next question. What temporary measure was taken after the Pahalgam terror attack in April 2025? A. Curfew in Jammu and Kashmir only. B. Increased border trade. C. Suspension of Indus Water Treaty and diplomatic expulsions. D. Generous reparations. Answer is C. Suspension of Indus Water Treaty and diplomatic expulsions. A security response to mounting cross-border tensions. Next question. What is the fiscal deficit as a percent of GDP in 25-26 Union Budget? A. 3%. B. 6%. C. 4.4%. D. 5.5%. Answer is C, 4.4%. The budget targets a 4.4% deficit.